What is up, guys? We just got to the sand pit. We're gonna be fishing it. It has been raining a ton. There's like a pond, looks like, right there. It's pretty black back there. We got Henry with us, and we're gonna try to get some Mondos. I brought the GoPro today so I can use that. And yeah, oh, go check out Angler XD, his new video of me and him creek fishing. So that, and we're gonna wait out for the next storm to come through, and then we're gonna start fishing. So here we go, boys. Oh, it is starting to rain again. There's a ton of lightning. Did you almost have one?
Yeah.
Okay, so we almost had one right before the storm. We were trying to fish this tree quick because we have to get back to the truck. So we're gonna go back, sit it out, and then I'll get right back to you guys. So here we go. So the storm, we just got out. We got Corey. They're gonna be catfishing. I grabbed my frog and rod. Well, Henry's falling behind, I guess. GoPro's on. I'm gonna try to film with this. Try to get it on and put it in the video. If not, it's just gonna be the phone. We're gonna be trying to fish this creek and that tree. I'm trying to be in places where the camera won't get wet so I can film it all. That's what we're gonna try to do, and I'll get back to you guys with some fish catches right here. Here we go. Got him. Still got him. Finally. I'm going to set this one down. Nice little fish. Hit this release iron. Go, go, go. And there she goes. And move it a little bit. Got some little rugged terrain right here. Looks like we're going to be fishing a beach almost. Hope they don't fall down this. Henry, what? Oh, nah. Well, yeah, I did actually. Oh, that was nice. We got stuff over my butt. Bent that. That's amazing. Well, it should be good, you think, after a storm. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's nice. Here we go, boys. Let's set my rod down. Ooh, sorry, little guy, didn't mean to set you down. We got doubles. There we go. One hit. Not a bad fish right there. Henry's got one, yeah. Look at the gut. Got a big gut on her. Let's see that one, Henry, before I put mine back. Put it upside down. There's Henry's. Awesome. Finally catching some fish. A fish just jumped over there. Lightning still. There we go. Come here.
What size is shank? What Senko shirt is?
Nice little guy. Got a little gut on him. I don't know if they still have eggs in here because we've seen a lot without the gut. Let's get her back. Couldn't really get a good release on that. Had to hold the rod. Oh, gotta put my guard back on. Lost him? Ooh. Snapped it? Just got cut by guard and I got freaking sand all over my reel. It snapped it? Is it frayed? Let me see the end of the line. Or is it curly?
Yeah, look.
I know.
On the knot, it's snapped.
Yep, there it is with your friggin' thing in it, dude. That was the fish.
Get it.
Just turned the GoPro off. Henry's got one on the wacky. Don't let him get out of that tree. Still got him. He's on. Ooh. God, 2 falls, almost caught on video. That's pretty bad. There we go. This one's actually okay, I think. I'm going a little bit more. There we go. I'll set this down. One time. One hit every time. Let's lay this rod down somewhere safe. There we go. Whoa! Baby girl. It's a nice fish right there. Look good on her. Oh, she cut her son. Thick old tail, look at that. I'm sorry. Let's get this release. She gone. Okay guys, so it's the end of the video right here. I ended on that last fish. We fished a little bit more, didn't get anything really. I think my dad's friend got one. That was it. And it's actually, that video was a while ago. I ended up editing it today. It's like 2 weeks. It was like 2 weeks ago. But yeah, it was a good little fish. And yeah, so that's it. And I'll see you guys on another Towne Outdoors adventure.